All right, so basically I'm gonna go ahead and take this oil. I believe it's like an oil relay or something. I don't know what it is. I do know it's for the oil. I don't need that no more. I went ahead and took the oil ring out, the gear from inside the engine, and I plugged it. So just go ahead and snap it right here and disconnect that. Take it off. Pretty much go ahead and connect my kill switch, ground, power, oil catch can put on. I still need a little filter to go ahead and apply it there. If there's anything wrong with the way I put the catch can, because typically I see it standing up on the side or whatnot, or on the frame, whatever, but let me know. Go ahead and put the tires on probably tomorrow. And yeah, man, still waiting for Go Power Sports. The plate, I had to order a plate. Last minute things, man. But yeah, for the most part, man, she there. What's the matter, mama? What's the matter? Your ball? Your ball? But yeah, man, in due time. Back up and running. You know how I do. Gasoline, everything. Here's my chopper, man. I'm debating. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this motherfucking frame. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, man, I got the doodle bug on the stand. I'm gonna go ahead and get some sanding. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. At the end of the day, this ain't gonna be no flawless ass paint job. It is what it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of life. I know I didn't want to do it in the beginning, you know what I mean, but this red or this dull ass red really ain't sticking with me. So I'm gonna just go ahead and smack it up with some paint. As you can see, I hacked it up. I ain't had no choice. The plate that I ordered from Go Power Sports didn't configure with the holes that I already had, so did a little hacking job, whatever. At the end of the day, it fits properly, it functions. I took it for a ride. A few times, you know what I mean? But went ahead and stripped it down, and I'm about to go ahead and, you know, give it a little bit of a spruce up. Let's get it.